Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down the latest beauty products with a blend of expert knowledge and real-life experience. If you've ever wanted the perfect manicure without all the hassle, today's review is just for you. I'm talking about the Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails in the French style, a light neutral with a white tip, medium size, and a coffin shape. It promises a simple, no-glue solution to beautiful nails, and I'm gonna tell you everything you need to know. Now, I know what you're thinking. Press-on nails? Aren't they just a temporary solution? Well, Kiss is claiming that with their improved adhesive, these press-ons last for up to 10 days. Let's see if that's really the case. To start, this kit comes with everything you need to get your nails done. 30 press-on nails in varying sizes, a mini nail file, a prep pad, a manicure stick, and of course, instructions. No salon visit necessary. And, just in case you're wondering, there's no glue required. The beauty of this system lies in the adhesive, which Kiss has worked hard to improve for a more secure and longer-lasting hold. I tested these nails during a busy week. Applying them was honestly a breeze. You just peel the backing off the adhesive, press the nails onto your natural nail, and you're done. The whole process took maybe 10 minutes, and the result was pretty impressive. The nails looked and felt surprisingly natural. They're made with Kiss's reverse dual injection technology, which gives them a gel-like feel that mimics the look of real nails. In terms of comfort, I was pleasantly surprised. Unlike some other press-ons I've tried, these didn't feel bulky or heavy. They had a nice lightweight feel to them, which I think is a major win for people who want to wear them daily without feeling like they have something glued to their nails. Now, let's talk about performance. I wore these nails for a full week, and I'll be honest, I was impressed with how well they held up. There was no peeling or lifting around the edges, and I didn't have to reapply them once during the week. If you're someone who's rough on their nails, washing dishes, typing on a keyboard, etc., you might have concerns about them coming off. But these stayed put, even through all of that. However, one thing I did notice was that the nails did start to show signs of wear towards the end of the week. The tips weren't as sharp as they were on day one, but that's to be expected. The good news is, they still looked good. In fact, the neutral French tip was subtle enough that the slight wear didn't make them look bad. So, while the nails aren't invincible, they do last a decent amount of time for a press-on product. As far as design goes, the light neutral shade with the white tip French style is classic and sophisticated. It's perfect if you're after a clean, chic look without being too flashy. If you're someone who loves the French manicure vibe but doesn't have the time or skill to do it yourself, these nails are a solid option. The coffin shape is trendy, but still very wearable for everyday situations. Now, when it comes to value for money, these press-ons are priced fairly for what you're getting. You get 30 nails in the kit, which gives you plenty of options to customize the fit and change them out if you need to. Plus, the adhesive is strong, and it holds up well for the price. If you compare this to salon manicures, which can cost upwards of $40 to $50, these press-ons are a total steal for the price. Are there alternatives? Sure, but here's the thing. These nails hit a sweet spot for both affordability and performance. While you might find other press-on nails at a lower price, they might not be as secure or comfortable as these. If you're looking for something cheaper, but still long-lasting, you could look at other brands, but I'd say Kiss really nails, pun intended, the press-on market with this one. In terms of build quality, the nails are sturdy and the packaging is functional. Everything is well organized, and you get everything you need to create a perfect DIY manicure. The kit is compact and easy to store, so you won't have to worry about clutter. Now, one thing I didn't get to test is customer support, but Kiss as a brand is well known for its high-quality press-on nails and reliable service. If you have any issues, I'd expect them to resolve it fairly quickly based on their reputation. Let's wrap it up. These Kiss imPRESS No Glue Mani Press-On Nails are a fantastic, no-hassle solution for achieving a beautiful French manicure at home. They're easy to apply, comfortable to wear, and surprisingly long-lasting for a press-on. If you're looking for a quick, affordable, and stylish manicure, I definitely recommend these. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find the link to purchase these nails in the description box below. If you've used these press-ons, drop a comment and let me know your thoughts. What was your experience like? Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.